Hi, we are Philip and Adelina, living full-time in their van. In the beginning of 2022, we adopted a stray dog and named her Elly. In December, our water pump broke. The simplest way to fix it was to drive up to Athens and go into a camping shop there, since we couldn't find any other in the region where we stayed at.
Oh, die Scheiße. Look at my Ellie. Look, Ellie outside. Ellie, look. Snow. That's snow. That's snow. Oh, snowy snow. Have you ever seen snow?
As some of you might know, we have summer tires, and today's plan was to go and check out the camping shop and fix our water pump. Yep, we're not gonna go anywhere since the drive up here was quite steep. So today it's gonna be Ellie's first walk in the snow. Oh, ja.
Der liegt Schwanzle da unten. Oh. Das Schwanzle. Voller Freude. Change. Did you expect that when we said we go to Athens?
No, I didn't. This is how we are trying to give Ellie her medication. You see right there, there are some goodies. And then Philip puts on it peanut butter, which she really likes. We chose peanut butter with less sugar, of course, because we're responsible dog parents. Ooh, Ellie. Going crazy for it.
No.
So there's gonna be a second try. Sausage. She really loves sausage, and we're gonna put the tablet inside the sausage.
Yeah, you see? Because I wasn't successful the last time, I put a quarter of the tablets inside.
No. So I'm not gonna lie, sometimes it's quite challenging to live with a dog in the van. Just to live in the van is quite challenging at times, and now even more. We have been staying in Athens in this forest for the last almost 2 days, and Philip woke up today with a really bad mood. So that's why I'm taking Ellie for a walk, just me and her. I could tell you 100 things that are wrong right now, but I try to focus on better things. The sun is shining, and that we are in freaking Greece, that we are in Athens. There's even water everywhere because it snowed. Look at that, guys. Over there, there's the sea. And here you can see Athens. Isn't it crazy how big it is? All the streets in Athens are closed. They are not ready for that amount of snow. So we're pretty much stuck. I'm with Ellie here outside of Lidl. And since it snowed on Monday, all the shops are closed and the pet shops are closed. The camping shop is closed. Some roads are closed. So the whole city seems to be on a waiting game until the snow just melts. You're lucky that the grocery store are open, so we're here in the city just getting some sweet stuff and also a new kind of food for Ellie, since she doesn't seem to like the kind that we have at home, and she needs to eat because she's quite underweight.
With the lens cap off at Paul, and he would be saying something. I've got a short rifle microphone, so I'm reasonably good.
Since our pump is still broken and there is snow everywhere, I am collecting snow to melt it for some water.
So here we are in Athens at our hill where we are standing and the snow came in the first night, so we're still standing on it because the street is frozen and we have to wait until the ice is melted. But the view is just astonishing here. And just today she went on toilet, she has diarrhea, also blood comes out. Sorry, I couldn't hear you. Hello, yes, can you hear me? Do you speak English? Okay, we have a problem with our dog. Can we come over to you? Yeah, of course.
Today's Thursday. We have been stuck on the hill in Athens for 4 days, and the last 2 days or the last 3 days, Ellie has been sneezing a lot, and today it is quite bloody. In the morning, Philip went for a walk with her. She made her business, and after she was done, there was blood, and it's quite alarming. Philip's on the phone, and the signal is just really bad. So I'm gonna make the van ready to leave this place because the roads already look a lot better. So now we're trying to find a bed that is open since the chaos is still going on in Athens. Ellie doesn't feel too well. You can really tell she's tired and I don't know, it's not really a good situation to be in, to be honest. But you know, we're gonna try our best. There is just so much we can do, and hopefully Philip will come back with some good news. We are trying desperately to find someone who will help us with Ellie, and the people are not really willing to help us. I'm getting really nervous, sorry. It's just she needs help right away. She is not eating, she's not drinking. She is really tired and her eyes look really weird. And so Philip found finally someone who will look at her. It is 1 hour away from where we stand. Ellie got sick, and the worst moment of all being in Athens, and we are just trying to get to the part of the city where it's snowed the most.
I just saw one service car throwing around salt, and you can clearly see some parts of the floor on the street have like that thick just ice. Even though it always was beautiful weather, it was sunny during today.
We have been to the vet already and also to the shop. The thing is that she has something with her stomach, so we need to give her a lot of medicine today. So we're gonna go to the most quiet place that we found on Park for Night and spend a night there and just try to calm ourselves down a little bit and give her some space to rest.
So we just came back from our grocery shopping in the shopping mall, and Ellie was very excited that we came back. Adelina and Ellie. We decided to stay one more night here at this place, and tomorrow we will be driving to the epicenter of Athens. There's a hill with a parking lot, which seems to be fine to stay with the dog. So I guess that's it. Tomorrow we will be near the Acropolis, aren't we? Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells, Ellie. Jingle bells, Ellie, Ellie, jingle bells, Ellie. Jingle, bingle, 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 bingle. Jingle bells, Ellie. Woo!